Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you? Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Yona Purnami.
My name is Amanda Nurul Hidayah.
We are a student from Tanjungpura University, English Education Study Program, Class A2, and we are now doing an assignment for speaking Transactional Function Class. So, let's get started.
Assalamualaikum. Hello, Yona.
Waalaikumsalam. Hello, Amanda.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, me too. Anyway, I want to talk about something that I really like. Do you know about Harry Potter?
Of course I do. That is one of the best franchises.
Right? I totally agree with you. Who is your favorite character?
My favorite character is Harry Potter's godfather, Sirius Black.
And why is he your favorite character?
Well, because in the beginning, I thought that he was a villain. But the more I watch the movie, the more I understand that he was a good man. We could know it from how the way he loves and protects Harry. And even though he couldn't adopt Harry till he died, and then Sirius Black is a loyal man with his best friend.
Ah, I see. He is such a great character though.
I know, right? And how about you?
My favorite character is Luna Lovegood.
Ah, yeah, Luna. Why though?
The main reason is because I think she was quirky, like unique, one of a kind. I think that what makes her become one of the interesting characters in Harry Potter.
You're right. I saw many people thought the same thing, including me.
Yup, how about the books? Have you read it?
Well, I haven't because I think the movie better than the books.
Sorry, but I think I have to disagree. In my opinion, reading the books is better because the books are explaining every moment in greater detail. It would have been impossible to add this much detail into the movies because of the duration. So that's why the movies didn't really tell all of the story, and there were moments from the books that were not in the movies.
Well, I'm sorry, but I don't quite go along with that because reading makes me bored and then I will fall asleep. I will prefer watching than reading because through the movie, it can be more realistic where I can enjoy the graphics and then the sounds from the movie that is make the movie more realistic.
Ah, yeah, I see. The movies are indeed good because I have watched it too. But I still think it is better to read the books as well so that we can understand the depth of the story more. I guess people have their own way of enjoying things, right?
You're right. It cannot be denied that people have their own preference.
Yep, but in the end, we still collectively agree that Harry Potter is one of the best franchises.
Absolutely. Okay, anyway, it is 4:40 and we have to prepare for iftar, right?
Ah, yeah, you are right. We have to dismiss then. See you soon, Yona.
See you.